What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a little look at Hood, Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. Someone in the comment section had commented on the last video kind of asking, what happened to Hood, right? So here's the thing. From a technical analysis standpoint, nothing happened to Hood, right? So, big move yesterday, along with a lot of the other smaller caps, along with a lot of the other meme stocks. And today they kind of all pulled back, right? So one thing that I want you to do is go over and take a look at ticker symbol IWM. That's the Russell 2000 small cap stocks. They pretty much got pounded today. They took a little bit of a back test, a little bit of a breather, right? So anytime you have a very extended move, especially coming out of consolidation like we were here on Hood, if we kind of just take a look at the daily time frame here and we kind of look at all this consolidation here that we kind of broke out of, realistically, I mean, we can just kind of go back even farther, right? We can go back all the way here to January. Pretty much since the year has opened, Robinhood hasn't really done much. Couple down ticks here, couple upticks there, nothing much. So this is a lot of consolidation. Yesterday we seen very good volume. You can see down here on this on the bottom half of the screen, good volume coming into the stock and a nice push higher, cleaning out a lot of supply zones. So what is a supply zone? Supply zone is all of this price action that's in here and all of these moving averages that it also took out. So yesterday we were over the 50 EMA, we got above the upper Bollinger Band, and we actually, took out the supply zone here on the linear regression channel. That's this sloping sort of teal line that I have here on my screen. We took out that price action. So one thing that we need to keep in mind, today is nothing more than an inside bar day. So if you're not too familiar with what an inside bar day is, this candle did not break above it, nor did close below this green bar. So should we start to get worried about Hood, especially if you're holding the stock? Maybe you bought it yesterday, maybe you chased it towards the end of the day, and now your position is down. Should you be concerned or should you be worried? My just the answer right off the top of my head, please understand your risk management before going into any trade. So just understand how much are you willing to risk on this particular trade before you call it quits. Second, as long as Hood is trading over the 5 and 10 day moving average, and let me just kind of zoom this out a little bit and just get really close to this daily candle here. You see this green line, this is a 5-day moving average. You see this blue line, this is the 10-day moving average. The 5 is over the 10 is over the 20, and the 20 is over the 50. So to me, still very bullish price action here. This red candle is an inside bar candle to this candle here. What we're looking at for a continued move on Hood is, if you're looking to add to your position or maybe start a position, we really need to clean out yesterday's highs. 1650, we need to get over that. We're going to have room back to 18, right? Just keep it very simple. That's the 100 simple moving average. You can see here, this is going to act as a area of resistance. So as we take out this high here, I would expect a little push up in here. Now, I wouldn't get too concerned until Hood starts coming down, closes below the 5 and 10 day moving average, and actually loses the 50. So the 50-day moving average is sitting at $12.79. For me personally, and this is me, everyone can make up their own minds and decisions. If Hood loses $12.79 or wherever the correlating 50-day moving average is at that point in time, if we lose a 50-day moving average, all bets are off, right? You have to think about it like this, especially from a swing trading, kind of outlook. Over the 50-day moving average, bullish. Under the 50-day moving average, bearish. So I don't really want to be holding longs if we're trading underneath the 50-day moving average. If we're kind of just chopping around and we're not really holding it, I'm definitely not going to be holding longs. I'll be looking for short positions under the 50-day moving average, definitely with sellers in control. But right now, buyers are still in control. This is nothing more than just a back test, nothing more than just a little bit of a rest. I could actually see us coming down to 1370, 1350 even. And then kind of just hanging out there testing before the next little kind of run up here. But like I said, if you do want to protect your position, $12.79 is where you're going to want to be protected on that position. And if you're looking for a run up higher, I would look for the back test into the 1370s and then the kind of push off higher. Anything over 1650, I think, takes it to 18. But just kind of stay patient, right? I understand, if you just bought this yesterday, you're probably negative or red in this position. It's not a good feeling, but you kind of have to let the technicals and the chart and the price action play out. We are coming to the end of the week here. Things are starting to contract a little bit. ranges are getting smaller. So you definitely don't want to be putting on a bunch of risk or a bunch of size on the table going into the end of the week. You kind of want to let this, week settle out and see where we finish and how we open up next week. But just keep those levels in mind. Stay patient, guys. If you guys are looking for more information, definitely join the Discord down below. You guys can come trade with me and the team down there. Definitely, if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, though, guys. I need to get this video out to as many people as possible. I'm probably, one of the hardest working technical analysis YouTubers on all of YouTube. I mean, over 800 videos in the past 365 days. Name me another YouTuber who does technical analysis who has put out over 800 videos on technical levels. There's probably not going to be any. And if there is, I would love to, kind of look over their channel and see, how they're doing and congratulate them, and also, give them some kudos, because it's definitely a lot of work to go through these charts. But I'm here for your guys' resource. I'm here for, pick my brain, whatever, man. I do this full time for a living. So, it's no sweat off my back to come on here and kind of give out these technical levels as I'm looking at these charts all day and every day anyways. But with that being said, guys, kind of just allow this video to drag on a little bit longer than it needed to be. I'll catch you guys all in the next video.